Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I thank you for click on the channel to watch it. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button. That's when I upload video, you'll be able to watch it. In today's video, I'm going to make a very healthy tea, very simple tea, and it's a blueberry tea. Now, a lot of people might eat blueberry day in, day out, but blueberry is very healthy. It's good for gastroenteritis, it's good for heart, it's good for your blood sugar, lowering your blood sugar, and it's good for UTI. Also, it's good for diabetes and can lower your blood pressure. So here I have some cloves. I'm gonna drop some cloves in, some blueberry, just need a cup, so this should be all right. What I'm doing, I'm just sweating off the blueberry. I'm gonna add some cinnamon and nutmeg to this. A bit of nutmeg. Cinnamon. I'm just gonna try press these on, as you see. Just trying to smash them a bit. I'm gonna add a bit of lemon slicing. Then I'm gonna pour some hot water on it. It's gonna start boil quickly now. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for it to boil. I have some leftover lime skin. You can easily cut them and just add it to it. This is very healthy tea. It's both good for male and female. You have nothing to lose. Please try this. And don't underestimate the blueberry. It have a lot of health benefits. You can even do your own research. This you can add a little bit of honey. When you finish, you can just add some honey to it. Just let it boil out. And now it's ready. So I'm gonna turn the gas off. So I'm gonna pour it out. Normally you have to strain it out, but this teapot is lovely. You just need to have a strainer inside, so that's all I need to do, just strain it off. You know, just take up some of the blueberry, put in this with a lemon, drop it in this hole. Remember to try this. Anyone out there with suffering from arthritis and diabetes, this is the tea for you. Put the lid back on. There you go, guys. Nice and healthy. Wow, this is powerful. Cheers to you all, and thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. Peace be unto you all. Delicious.